Welcome to Fix and Shield Roofing and Building Limited, a dedicated family-run company. We offer a wide range of roofing services at competitive prices to customers in St Albans, Watford, Barnet, Stevenage, Potters Bar and the surrounding areas. With many excellent customer reviews received from CORC, Trustatrader and Rated People, our highly recommended group of qualified roofers have a wealth of knowledge in all aspects of roofing. We welcome all types of inquiries from both home and business owners looking for a quality roofing service. Whether your requirements are for a new pitched or flat roof installation, small minor repairs such as replacing missing tiles or repointing your chimney breast, we are here to help. We work closely with our customers from initial inquiry through to completion without using help from outside roofing contractors. For your peace of mind, all work carried out by our expert roofing team is fully guaranteed, and we only use quality materials to ensure the best finish. So, whether you need a new roof to be installed or need a simple repair, call Fix and Shield Roofing and Building Limited today to arrange a free site visit.